Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.3, Problem 9. This is Section 4.3, Problem 9. It says write each decimal as a percent. So we have 0.63, 0.29, 0.88, 0.37, and 0.51. So for any one of these, take the decimal where it's written. To convert it to a percent, you will move it 2 decimal places or 2 positions to the right. So the 0.63, if you go 2 to the right, it becomes 63, and you put a percent symbol after it. So 0.63 is the same as 63%. The next one, part B, 0.29 is a percent. Take the decimal where it's written between the 0 and the 2, move it 2 positions to the right, it goes after the 9, and you put a percent symbol afterwards. So 0.29 is equivalent to 29%. The next one, part C, 0.88, make it a percent. Take the decimal where it is, move it 2 positions to the right, so it goes after the last 8. So 0.88 is equivalent to 88%. The next one, part D, 0.37, make the percent equivalent. So take the decimal where it's written between the 0 and the 3, move it 2 positions to the right, it would go after the 7. And you would make it 37, put a percent after. So 0.37 is equivalent to 37%. And finally, the last one, part E, 0.51, write that as a percent. Take the decimal where it is, move it 2 positions to the right, so it goes from being between the 0 and the 5 in its decimal version to coming after the 1 in the percent version. So you would put 51 with a percent. So 0.51 as a decimal is equivalent to 51%.